Hi, I'm Katie from Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way to thread a yarn needle. Now, I used to spend like 5 minutes per time trying to just somehow shove this mess into there, but let's be honest, it's not happening. So we're going to flip our yarn needle around, fold it over, pinch, pull it out, and then it will just neatly fit right in there. Ta-da! Look how easy that was. So much better than spending like a minute trying to shove the frayed end in there. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it and it helps you out. Follow for more tips like this.